traveling with pets is more popular than ever. Did you know that 68% of U.S. households own a pet? That's about 85 million families. And guess what? More than 2 million pets fly every year in the United States alone. But many pet owners are not prepared for the challenges of traveling with their furry friends. In this video, we're diving into the essential tips and tricks you need to travel safely and comfortably with your pet. We'll reveal shocking statistics, like how only 20% of pet owners use proper restraints in their cars, leading to thousands of injuries each year. And did you know that airlines have strict limits on pet travelers, often causing last-minute travel headaches? Stay tuned as we uncover the best gear to keep your pet comfy, the crucial documents you must have, and insider hacks for smooth flights and road trips. Whether you're flying to a new city or embarking on a road trip, we've got you covered. Let's make your next adventure with your pet a safe and stress-free experience. Chapter 1. Pet Prep. Essential travel gear you need. Traveling with your pet can be a lot of fun, but preparation is key. First things first, you need a good quality pet carrier. Look for one that's sturdy, well-ventilated, and comfortable. Did you know that 62% of pet owners say their pets get anxious during travel? A cozy carrier can help ease that anxiety. Next, invest in a travel water bottle designed for pets. It's crucial to keep your pet hydrated, especially on long trips. Remember to bring collapsible bowls too, they're lightweight and easy to pack. You'll also need a pet first aid kit. Accidents can happen, so it's best to be prepared. Your kit should include bandages, antiseptic wipes, and any medications your pet might need. According to the American Veterinary Medical Association, having a first aid kit can make a big difference in emergencies. Don't forget your pet's favorite toys and blankets. Familiar items can provide comfort and reduce stress. A study from the Journal of Veterinary Behavior found that familiar smells can significantly reduce anxiety in pets. Harnesses and seatbelts are essential for car travel. They keep your pet secure and prevent injuries. The Center for Pet Safety recommends crash-tested harnesses for maximum protection. Microchipping your pet is another must-do. It increases the chances of being reunited if your pet gets lost. According to the American Kennel Club, pets with microchips are 20 times more likely to be returned to their owners. Chapter 2. Passport Ready. Documentation and vaccination tips. When traveling with pets, documentation is crucial. Start by getting a health certificate from your vet. Most airlines and countries require this. The certificate confirms your pet is healthy and up to date on vaccinations. Vaccinations are a must. Ensure your pet is vaccinated against rabies and other diseases. Some countries require additional vaccines, so check the regulations ahead of time. According to the CDC, rabies vaccinations are mandatory for pets traveling internationally. Another important document is the pet passport. In some regions, this document records your pet's vaccinations and health status. The European Union, for example, requires a pet passport for all traveling animals. Microchip registration is also essential. Make sure your contact information is up to date. If your pet gets lost, the microchip can help authorities contact you quickly. Additionally, consider getting a pet insurance policy that covers travel. This can help with unexpected medical expenses abroad. According to the North American Pet Health Insurance Association, 1 in 3 pets will need emergency vet care each year. Research the pet import regulations of your destination. Some countries have strict quarantine laws. For instance, pets traveling to Australia must undergo a 10-day quarantine. Knowing these rules can help you avoid surprises. Carry copies of all your pet's documents, including vaccination records and health certificates. Keep both physical and digital copies. This way, you're prepared for any situation. Finally, make sure your pet's collar has an ID tag with your contact information. Include a temporary tag with your travel destination details. This increases the chances of a quick reunion if your pet gets lost. Chapter 3. Jet Set Pets. Airline Policies and Booking Hacks. Flying with your pet can be a breeze if you know the right tricks. First, always check the airline's pet policy before booking. Some airlines only allow pets in the cabin, while others require them to travel in the cargo hold. Did you know that around 2 million pets fly in the US every year? Booking a direct flight can make a big difference. Layovers can be stressful for pets, so try to avoid them if possible. The Humane Society of the United States recommends direct flights to minimize your pet's travel time. When booking your ticket, call the airline to reserve a spot for your pet. There's usually a limit on how many pets can be in the cabin, so book early. According to a survey by Travel Plus Leisure, 38% of pet owners say finding an airline with a good pet policy is challenging. Make sure your pet carrier fits the airline's size requirements. It needs to fit under the seat in front of you. Soft-sided carriers are often a good choice because they can squish a bit to fit the space. Visit your vet before the trip. Ask if a mild sedative or anti-anxiety medication might help your pet. The American Veterinary Medical Association advises against tranquilizing pets during air travel, but sometimes it's necessary for very anxious animals. Arrive at the airport early. This gives you plenty of time to check in and get through security without rushing. Did you know that some airports have pet relief areas? Use them to give your pet a bathroom break before the flight. Security screening can be stressful for pets. You'll need to take your pet out of the carrier and carry them through the metal detector. Keep calm and speak soothingly to your pet to help them stay relaxed. Bring a small blanket or towel with your pet's scent. Familiar smells can help keep them calm. According to a study in the Journal of Veterinary Behavior, pets find comfort in familiar scents during stressful situations. Pack a travel kit with everything your pet needs: food, water, treats, and a favorite toy. Keep it easily accessible in your carry-on. A well-prepared kit can make the journey much smoother. Chapter 4. Road Trip Rover. Car Travel Safety Tips. Road trips with pets can be a great adventure, but safety comes first. Start by securing your pet in the car. A crate or a pet seatbelt is essential. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, recommends using crash-tested restraints. Make your pet comfortable with a cozy bed or blanket. Familiar items can help reduce anxiety. A study by the American Pet Products Association found that 37% of pet owners use a special bed or blanket when traveling. Plan for regular breaks. Your pet needs to stretch, drink water, and use the bathroom. The American Veterinary Medical Association suggests stopping every 2-3 hours. Never leave your pet alone in a parked car. Temperatures can rise quickly, even with the windows cracked. According to the Humane Society, a car can heat up to 120 degrees in just 30 minutes on a warm day. Keep your pet hydrated. Always have fresh water available. Travel water bottles for pets are a great solution. The ASPCA recommends giving your pet small amounts of water frequently to avoid dehydration. If your pet gets anxious during car rides, try calming products like pheromone sprays or anxiety wraps. These can make a big difference. A study in the Journal of Applied Animal Welfare Science found that 85% of dogs showed reduced stress when using a calming wrap. Feed your pet a light meal a few hours before the trip. Avoid feeding them in the car to prevent motion sickness. The American Kennel Club advises against feeding your pet right before the trip. Keep the car well ventilated. Crack a window or use the air conditioning to maintain a comfortable temperature. Proper ventilation is crucial for your pet's comfort and safety. Plan your route to include pet-friendly stops. Parks, pet rest areas, and pet-friendly restaurants can make the journey more enjoyable for both of you. Websites like Bring Fido can help you find pet-friendly places along your route. Chapter 5. Hotel Hounds. Finding pet-friendly accommodations. Finding pet-friendly accommodations can be a challenge, but with the right strategies, it becomes a breeze. First, always check hotel policies before booking. Not all hotels welcome pets, and those that do may have restrictions. According to the American Hotel and Lodging Association, about 75% of hotels in the U.S. are pet-friendly, but rules vary widely. Use websites and apps designed for pet owners. Websites like Bring Fido and apps like Pet Friendly make it easy to find and book pet-friendly accommodations. These platforms often include user reviews, which can give you insights into the quality of the stay. When booking, always call the hotel to confirm their pet policy. Some hotels have weight limits or breed restrictions. Make sure to ask about any additional fees. A survey by TripAdvisor found that pet fees can range from $10 to $100 per night. Look for accommodations that offer pet amenities. Some hotels provide pet beds, bowls, and even pet room service. Did you know that the Kimpton Hotel chain offers a director of pet relations at some locations? These perks can make your pet stay more enjoyable. Consider vacation rentals. Websites like Airbnb and Vrbo have filters to find pet-friendly rentals. These can offer more space and a home-like environment for your pet. A study by Airbnb found that pet-friendly listings receive more bookings, showing the growing demand for such options. Plan for your pet's exercise needs. Check if the hotel has a designated pet area or if there are parks nearby. Keeping your pet active is crucial for their well-being. According to the American Kennel Club, regular exercise reduces anxiety in pets. Pack a travel kit for your pet. Include food, water, bowls, and any medications. Don't forget familiar items like toys and blankets. Familiar smells can help your pet feel more at home. A study in the Journal of Veterinary Behavior found that familiar items significantly reduce stress in pets. Respect hotel rules. Keep your pet on a leash in common areas and never leave them alone in the room. This ensures a positive experience for both you and the hotel staff. The American Pet Products Association reports that well-behaved pets and responsible owners are more likely to be welcomed back. Chapter 6. Travel Tranquility. Keeping pets calm and comfortable. Keeping your pet calm and comfortable during travel is key to a successful trip. Start by creating a familiar and cozy space for your pet. Bring their favorite bed or blanket. Familiar smells can be very comforting. According to a study in the Journal of Veterinary Behavior, familiar items can reduce pet stress by 30%. Use calming products like pheromone sprays or anxiety wraps. These can help keep your pet relaxed during the journey. A study published in Applied Animal Behavior Science found that pheromone sprays reduce stress behaviors in 70% of dogs. If your pet is prone to anxiety, consider using natural supplements. Products containing CBD or calming herbs like chamomile can help. Always consult your vet before giving your pet any supplements. The American Veterinary Medical Association notes that many natural products can be effective in reducing anxiety. Music can also be soothing for pets. Create a calming playlist or use apps like Pet Acoustics that offer music designed for pets. A study by the University of Glasgow found that music can significantly reduce stress in dogs. Maintain a routine as much as possible. Feed your pet at their usual times and take regular breaks for exercise and bathroom needs. The American Kennel Club advises that keeping a routine helps reduce travel-related anxiety. Hydration is crucial. Make sure your pet always has access to fresh water. Dehydration can increase stress and lead to health issues. A travel water bottle for pets is a handy tool to keep them hydrated on the go. Avoid feeding your pet right before travel. This can help prevent motion sickness. The American Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals, ASPCA, recommends feeding your pet a few hours before the trip and avoiding large meals. Monitor your pet for signs of stress. Look for panting, whining, or pacing. If you notice these behaviors, try to soothe your pet with a gentle voice and petting. According to a study by the American Animal Hospital Association, pets respond well to calm and reassuring tones. Lastly, stay calm yourself. Pets can pick up on their owner's anxiety. If you're relaxed, your pet is more likely to stay calm too. A positive attitude can make all the difference in your pet's travel experience.